Hey guys, happy Wine Wednesdays. Today we're celebrating with the Vignorico blend from Conte d'Adamas Magnago, one of many wines we get from our friends at South Italy Imports. Vignorico is a blend from Colli Orientale del Friuli in northeastern Italy. And it is essentially a Meritage Bordeaux style of 50% Merlot and 40% Cabernet Sauvignon with the addition of 10% Schioppettino, which is really where the personality of the wine comes from. It's this delicious, plush, black, bitter grape, really only known and native to Friuli. And it really, when it mixes with the plush fruits of the Meritage grapes in the beginning, you really get a nice spicy, bitter back end. And it really balances out the tannins as well. It goes great with really hearty pastas, even some barbecued and grilled red meats and games. Very similar to a nice pasta that we have here called the Canestri with the Tuscan meat sauce. So, salute.